Welcome to the Great North Gardener. I grow in a Zone 5A climate. My name is Albert. This is your quick how-to guide on wood versus metal raised beds, which is better, and how to set up metal beds the right way. So, what is a raised bed? A framed garden bed lifted above the ground. Think of a big bottomless box filled with nutrient-rich soil. Why raise it? It warms up faster in spring, drains better, so less waterlogging, and keeps soil from washing away. Convenience matters. Bending and kneeling can batter your back and knees. A raised bed brings the garden up to you. Planting, weeding, harvesting, everything's tidier and easier. Best bit, you control the soil mix. Brilliant if your native soil is clay, sand, or just poor. Wood versus metal, the great debate. Metal shines for durability, clean design, and low maintenance. Wood wins on classic looks, insulation, and full DIY flexibility. Costs vary. Metal kits can be pricier up front, basic wood starts cheaper. Think lifespan. Metal can run decades. Some woods need replacing in 5 to 10 years. Galvanized, corrugated, even caught and steel. Tough as old boots, weather ready. Most come as easy kits with pre-drilled holes. Setup is quick, even if you're new to DIY. Thin walls mean more growing space inside the same footprint. Downsides: heat. Dark metal can get hot and dry out edges in peak summer. Manage it with mulch and steady watering, especially important in hot spells. From our Zone 5A perspective, that spring warmth is a lovely head start. Bottom line, both materials work. The best choice suits your style, budget, and climate. Up next, we'll compare deeper, then assemble a metal bed and plant it up. Right, let's get stuck in. Metal's biggest selling point is longevity. Proper galvanized or powder-coated steel shrugs off weather for decades. Unlike wood, it won't rot, warp, or feed insects. Less maintenance, more gardening. Thin walls equal extra growing room. Gold dust in compact gardens and patios. Caveat: heat. Edges can run warm and dry in midsummer. Solve with mulch and consistent early-day watering. Costs more up front than basic untreated lumber, but often wins over time when you add wood's maintenance and replacements. Wood's charm is undeniable. It belongs in a garden. It insulates better, so soil temps are steadier in scorching months. That's a win at the height of summer. And DIY? Endless custom sizes and shapes with basic tools. Downside: decay. Damp soil, rain, snow, wood slowly gives way. Untreated pine may last a few years. Cedar and larch last longer, but cost more. Pressure treated is durable and cheaper, though some worry about chemicals in veg beds. Wood frames are bulkier, slightly reducing planting area. Setting up metal? Start with location. Aim for 6 to 8 hours of direct sun. Keep it near water. Save your back in July. Clear turf and stones, rake smooth, and check level with a spirit level. A level base prevents warping once the soil weight goes in. Lay out panels, corners, and the nuts and bolts bag. Wear heavy-duty gloves. Edges can be sharp. Join panels and leave bolts finger tight so everything aligns. Slide the frame into place and confirm level in all directions. Then tighten all bolts with a wrench or drill. Line the bottom with cardboard or weed membrane to suppress regrowth. It blocks weeds but still allows drainage and lets earthworms move in, onto soil. Soil makes the garden. In Zone 5A, go with a 3-part blend. About 60% quality topsoil, 30% well-rotted compost, 10% for aeration, perlite, vermiculite, or coarse grit. Mix thoroughly, fill, and leave an inch or 2 at the top. Water to settle the blend. Cool season crops early spring and autumn. Lettuce, spinach, radishes, peas. After last frost, plant tomatoes, peppers, and beans. Check moisture often, water in the morning, and add 2 inches of mulch to hold water and suppress weeds. In autumn, clear dead plants and tuck beds in with 4 to 6 inches of mulch. Final verdict? Both can be brilliant. Choose what fits your style, climate, budget, and time.